Let's work on this example here. The demand X, so the number of items that we can sell at a price point P, so P is the price per item, is given by X plus 500 P is equal to 10,000. We find and interpret the elasticity of demand at 3 different price points. So reminder, the elasticity of demand is minus P times F of P, or rather the derivative of F of P divided by F of P. Right, this was given to us by, we were looking at the derivative of the relative rate of change of our demand relative to the derivative, or rather just the relative rate of change in price. So how is our price changing as a percentage compared to how's our demand changing? So let's find our elasticity equation. First, we need to rewrite this F of P equation. So we need to write our demand as a function of price. So we just need to solve this for X. It's as simple as moving that to the other side. X is equal to 10,000 minus 500P. So that is F of P. $10,000 minus 500P. Our elasticity of demand is then minus P times F prime of P. So what's the derivative of F of P? It's minus 500 divided by F of P. 10,000 minus 500P. Okay, our numerator becomes 500P over 10,000 minus 500P. So if we evaluate our elasticity at the price point of 4, we get 0.25 or 1 over 4. So this tells us that if price changes by 4 percentage points, then demand is going to increase, or rather decrease by 1 percentage point. So our conclusion here would be we're going to increase price, and relative to the increase in price, demand really isn't going to drop that much. So we should probably increase the price. That's going to return more revenue. If we evaluate the elasticity at 10, we get a perfect 1. 1 is obviously equal to 1 over 1. So this tells us that if we increase price by 1 percentage point, demand will drop by 1 percentage point. So our revenue is, right, if we increase price, our revenue is not really going to change that much. It's going to change by the same amount, relatively. So we should probably not increase the price. That's our conclusion there. Keep price the same. And if we evaluate elasticity at 16, how is our demand going to change as we change our price? This gives us a 4, which is equal to 4 over 1. If price increases by 1 percentage point, demand will drop by 4. So that's drastic, right? That's the wrong side of 1 that we want. A small change in price yields in a lot of people not wanting the product. So that means our price is probably too high. We should drop it.